Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to update personal information in BMO account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to update personal information in BMO account, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your BMO application and be sure to be logged in with your credential as well. Then once logged into your account, here what you need to do is just simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and inside there simply select profile and settings or account settings. Then once you're inside the account settings, what you need to do is select personal information, and inside personal information there you'll find an option to update the details you want from address, phone number and email. And once you have done the changes that you need, simply confirm the changes, and you may need to verify asset through SMS or email code as well. You can also do update your info at a branch as well. For changes like name, marital status or legal documents, you need to visit a BMO branch by bringing a valid government issued photo ID, provide any required supplement documents like marriage certificate, legal name change or paperwork, and bank staff will update your account records immediately. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.